How to cancel FX Replay subscription. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open any browser in your PC. Once you open the browser, in the search bar, you want to go ahead and search for app.fxreplay.com. Once you search for it, all you have to do is simply log in to your account. So once you're logged into your account, in your left hand side, you'll be able to find account settings right over here. Tap onto it. And inside account settings, tap on subscription button. Now inside subscription, if you have subscription, you will then be able to find a manage subscription button right over here. Currently I don't have one, so you will not be able to see it on my screen, but it will definitely be on your screen. So go ahead and tap on manage subscription button, and after that click on your active plan and scroll down to cancel subscription. After confirming your reason for cancelling and acknowledging that you will lose access to your account and data at the end of the billing cycle, toggle on the agreement box and hit the cancel my account button. And just like so, you will then be able to cancel FX Replay subscription. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.